box it comes in, Nico got a little excited and tried to open it himself. But this is what it's supposed to look like. We're gonna see if we can get this done in 1 hour with a toddler, because I had to pick up Nico from camp in an hour, so we gotta do this fast.
Woohoo! Let's see how many pieces are in here. Woo! Okay. Oh, these already come on it. That saves so much time. How cute are these? They're upside down, but no, they're not. Look how cute these are. Everything's natural wood. 100% natural wood. Follows all the codes, safety, everything like that. Non-toxic. The paint is just beautiful. Like, it's perfect. Love these colors. I'll link the specific one that I got. Priya's pulling out the rest. Here's some rungs. This is nice because I've gotten another one of these and it was in so many pieces that I never put it together. It's literally still in my basement. And it was nowhere near as cool as this one. Like, just look at these colors. I am obsessed. How pretty are these? Oh my gosh. Love the neutral. I love, like, they're super pigmented even though they're neutral. Like, I just love this rich color right here. And then, like, the contrast is perfect. Okay, we're making progress. Kind of. But I had no idea it came with these two little cars. Whoops. That I'm gonna give to Capria to occupy her while I get this together. So cute. Oh. Hey guys, we have all the pieces out. This is everything it comes with. And then it comes with this whole set of screws and everything you need, and the directions. So we're gonna get started and we're gonna get this done. We are gonna get this done. I'm still just so obsessed with the colors. If you don't know, I have, Capria's already playing. I have a girl and a boy, 4-year-old boy. Yeah, a 22-month-old little girl. And I love that the colors are super gender neutral. They're perfect for our playroom that I try to incorporate girls and boys decor into. So if you're like me and wondering what the Pikler method even is, I'll tell you. I did a little research, and what I found was the Pikler method focuses on infants from birth to preschool age. This is a younger age group than the Montessori method would focus on. Like the Montessori method, it's based around natural development of the child, great emphasis on observation, but the Pikler method specifically focuses on freedom of movement. Without the parent placing babies into position, teaching them what to do and how to play, etc., the children are given the object and play the way they want to, with undivided support and attention from the parent or caregiver. Benefits from using the Pikler approach allows children to learn to move and develop more freely, with optimal results in gross motor development. Children develop good balance, coordination, body awareness, and the ability to handle their own little bodies. Learning this all on their own with the freedom of movement, they develop a strong sense of competence with what their bodies can do and self-assurance, which leads to a greater resilience to stress over time. Okay guys, I'm done putting it together. Polly took the kids for a walk while I finished. Now I just have to get everything in its place and see how the kids like it. So let's get to it. I'm almost done. Good job. Yeah. Whee. Yay. Woo. Do you want to switch it over so we can do a slide? Let's do this. Let's do the slide. Ooh. A slide. Okay, ready? Ready? Here, climb up here. You like it? Good job. Whee! You did it. Here, let's.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to
Okay guys, it is about a week later. We started the playroom, got mostly everything done. I just have to label Nico's bins, so I'm gonna do that real quick. The kids love the Pikler Triangle, and actually Capria drew on it a little bit with chalk and pencil. So I had to get that off, and it came right off with literally water and a sponge. So that was awesome, good to know. And also, with her, it's easier if you do just the arch and the slide because she can easily do that and you don't have to worry about her falling off the actual climbing part right there. It's really good for her just to do this part, and she loves it because she can get up there herself and slide down herself. So it's nice for when Nico's at camp because she's here, she can keep it to just those two pieces and play with those on her own. And while she's doing that, I just move the other one to the side, so I'll show you exactly how that works. It's so easy to store. Yeah, so she saw me moving it around and now she wants to go on the little slide. Go ahead. You want me to take your cheese?
Good thinking. So, what do you
Good girl.
for bedtime?
Okay, go ahead.
We've done that. What next?
It was really easy for her to figure out herself. Oh, you want that piece? That's hard. That's hard for you to do. But when you put this away, you just loosen these. There's one on each side. Yep, loosen that up. Super easy. Oh, I got avocado on my nose. And then we'll just push it together. Good job. And it goes right together like that. And we can just move it over to the corner. Priya, what are you doing? All right, watch out. I gotta move it. And then we just move it over and tuck it. She wants to play with it right now, but you just tuck it right in the corner and that's it. But I guess we're taking it back out. Okay, I'm putting it over here. Let's tighten it up. And then you can also take this piece off, obviously, and just push it up against the actual triangle piece, and it's super easy to store away in the corner. Good job! You did all by yourself! Woohoo! Yeah, so Nico, who's 4, loves the rock climbing side, and Capriya loves to use the slide side. So it's perfect for the both of them because it's so versatile. You can switch it up any way you want to. It works for everybody. And good job! And they just love it. Like, they have endless fun on this thing. We're also having a friend over tomorrow, so it will be cool to see how he does on it and how he likes to play with it. He's also 4, so it's Nico's little friend from school. Good job! We love it. But let's go make those labels. You did